Hey my lovelies, how you are doing? Hope you all are doing great. It's Chinese again. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, you're beautifully welcome. So today we are heading to the bonfire night here where I stay. And I thought to carry you guys along with us. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys everything that is happening here. We've attended one before, but that we were staying before, not here. So but this is our first time attending this bonfire night in this new city, and let's see how it goes. Let's see if it's interesting. You can check out my previous one years back that I posted, but this one, let's see how it's gonna be. I hope it's gonna be fun. So I'm just gonna show you guys every activities and everything that's gonna be happening there. So yes, come along with us. So as soon as we got there, the queue was so long, but we eventually got in because they had to do some searches and we had to pay for the gate fee. Anyway, we got in. There were loads of activities to do, very nice, colorful. Guys, can you imagine? It was actually past 5 and everywhere was literally dark. As you can see, so dark. Oh my god, this weather, so depressing. Anyway, we headed to do some activities, basically the kids actually. Guys, can you guys try this? I can never. I tried something similar one time, you know, this roller coaster thingy, and I regretted immediately. But yeah, never again. So we're just looking around, checking what activities to do. Guys, people were literally in that stuff. Look at that, swinging here and there. Anyway, we tried this teacup thing. Very slow, very nice, good for kids, even kids below 3 years, because I and my daughter, we went on it and it was so nice, slow, beautiful. We enjoyed it, and I don't know if she did enjoy it, but she wasn't crying or anything like that. She was just observing, looking, wondering what's happening. But it's so nice. We enjoyed it. I think this is the kind of, you know, activities I can do. Yeah, you can say I'm not brave for this kind of thing. I'm fine. Yeah. So I'm just gonna leave you guys to watch it. But before then, I don't think I love where crowd are. I really don't like crowd. Will I be going back for something like this? Yes, for the activities, but for the crowd, no. I don't think it's people that went there. I don't think it's just people in our city. I think people from other cities too came to witness it. But yeah, apart from the activities, no, not for me. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video now. Hey, my lovelies. So we just got back now. We couldn't wait for the bonfire. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a comment. If you don't know what to leave, just put a love emoji or something. Okay, thank you so much for everyone who have subscribed, and to the people who are yet to subscribe, thank you so much too. And I'm gonna see you guys on my next one. Till I see you next time, bye.